Delphin Imperial Hotel, Antalya, Turkey. The facility consists of one main building, 9 floors, and was designed to provide you with the most comfortable vacation. The features are consisting of 798 rooms, 10 panoramic lifts, various bars, 11 a la carte restaurants, a mini shopping center, a bowling alley, an internet cafe, relax, indoor, children, and adult pools. For meetings, company seminars, or special invitations, we are offering a 1,560 square meter multi-purpose hall. Furthermore, you can find a spa, cinema, and disco in our facility. You are in Delphin Imperial, in Lara with the Mediterranean's most beautiful beaches. The distance is 15 kilometers to Antalya, 10 kilometers to the airport, and 0 meter to the beach. The achieving of the shopping centers and the transportation to the place you want to see by visiting is from the facility very easy. Daytime sports tournaments, competitions, pool games, interesting and nice animation shows in the evening, live music some days, sketches, review, game room, and internet cafe, 1 tennis court, table tennis, dart, fitness center, billiard, bowling, aerobics, water gymnastics, step. At Delphin Imperial, there are 798 rooms in total, including 576 superior rooms, 37 family rooms, 20 lagoon rooms, 39 connection rooms, 2 suites, 66 junior suites, 9 deluxe family rooms, and 8 superior handicap rooms. The features are air conditioning central between certain hours, a hairdryer, a direct dial telephone, LCD TV satellite, music receiving, a safe, a minibar, laminate kettle tea and coffee, daily housekeeping, towels are changed daily, sheets are changed every 2 days one time. The facility offers 798 rooms from which you can choose the most suited room for you and your family. In the main restaurant, the breakfast, lunch, and dinner as open buffet. Local and some imported alcoholic drinks and non-alcoholic drinks are within the concept. 9 a la carte restaurants can be used once every 3 days during your stay. Mini club for children between 4 and 12 years old with German, English, and Russian-speaking animators. Special animation for children in the morning and afternoon. Indoor children's pool, children's cinema, playground depending on weather, Luna Park, mini disco, cinema for children. Buggy is on request with deposit. Cosmetic salon, Cleopatra milk bath, jacuzzi, diverse massage from experts, peeling with anti-stress applications, Turkish bath, sauna steam room. The paid section of the spa center is open from 9 to 20. The paid section of the spa center includes a separate Turkish bath, sauna, dressing room, and relaxation room. Reservation is required. The reception of the spa center will inform you about the state of your health. If the health status is appropriate, care is initiated. The free section of the spa center is open from 9 to 20, available to all guests. Hammam, sauna, steam bath, relaxation room, shower, and changing room.